Seriously, Marcello. You gotta be nice to the kitty. Don't taunt him. Hmm? Jim is a good boy. Hey, Marcello, stop it. You wanna step up? Huh? You better watch out. Jim is a good boy, but you're taunting him. You want me to show you his big sharp teeth again? Big sharp teeth. Big sharp claws. Hmm? You're being such a good boy, Jim. I love you. Marcello. Marcello. You want to step up? Hmm? You want to take a break? Marcello. Don't hiss at the kitty. He can hiss better than you. Yeah. Back up. Back up. Marcello. Don't you want my pants? I like these ones. Will you be nice? How long you think he's gonna give you the stink eye for? Are you really trying to play with Jim? Huh? Maybe he just wants to play, Bubba. I don't want you guys playing. Marcello, you're making me nervous. Jim can really hurt you. Thank you, Jim. You're being such a good boy. You ready for a break, Marcello? Come give me kisses. Marcello. Boop. You want Jim to give you a boop? That's a good boy, Marcello. What do you think, Bubba? Hmm? He's a stinker, huh? Can I brush your teeth? so much. Jimothy, love you so much.